Welcome back to the chapter 3 of second PUC Mathematics, that is matrices. Already 3.1 exercise is being discussed. If you have not seen that, you can see and come to this video. Now let's see with the 3.2 exercise, that is, let's start with first question. Let A is equal to 2 4 3 2 is given, B is equal to 1 3 minus 2 and 5, C is equal to minus 2 5 3 and 4 is given. Now we have to do A plus B, A minus B, 3A minus C, A into B, B into A. Now to do A plus B, I'll say you how to do. That means A and B, they are given, right? You have to add the corresponding elements of the same. 4 plus 3 you have to do, and the same way 3 minus 2 you have to do, and 2 plus 5 you have to do. Okay, now you will get the value, that is A plus B. For A minus B, the same way you have to do subtract the same corresponding values. Okay, now it will be 3 minus of minus 2, because here they have given minus 2 and minus will be already present, so minus of minus will become plus. And 3A minus C is already been given. Now we have to consider that for 3A we have to multiply 3 times for whole matrix of A. That means 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 3 into 3, 3 into 2. The same way you have to do and do the subtraction the same way. 6 minus 2, 12 minus 5, 9 minus 3 and 6 minus 4. The same way now they have asked us A into B and B into A. You can do the multiplication. That means A into B, that will be defined as 2 into 2 plus 4. See, you have to do like this. It will follow this. 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. This corresponds to this and this corresponds to this. I hope you got it. Next is 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. Next is 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. You have to add all those and give it. The same way you have to do for B into A also. Because it will not be same, because you are doing here first B then A. Okay. Now next question is compute the following. AB minus B plus A, the same way what they have given you have to do. If you add, you will get as A plus A is to A, B plus B is to B, minus B plus B will get cancelled, so it will be 0. A plus A is again 2A. What they have given, you have to just add it. Okay. Now next question, compute the indicated products. See, you have to just multiply it the same way how I said. This corresponds to this. A into A plus B into B. A into minus B plus B into A, this here. Minus B into A plus A into B here. Minus B into minus B will be B square, and A into A will be A square. That is how you solve this. The same way you need to find out all the 5 questions. Next question will be of 4th, that is A is given, B is given and C is given. Then you have to do A plus B and B minus C. Then first you find out this, then we will verify this. Okay. To find out this, the same formula you have to do as previous for 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3. Everything follows the same principle. Now just you need to find out A plus B and B minus C. A plus B and B minus C. If you find out those two matrix, okay, now you have to substitute in this. See, B minus C now we have found out. A plus B we have found out. This is nothing but commutative. Only the brackets are being changed. Okay. Now you can substitute here and you can add with A here. Here you can substitute this and subtract with C. The both answer will be equal. Now you can see here. See, 0, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 1 and 5, 2, 1, 1. See, here and here it is same. So we say that it is verified. Question 5 is 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3 and all they have given. 3A minus 5B. Nothing but you have to multiply 3 for all the elements. Each of the element. Here you have to multiply 5. 5B for all of the element, and then you have to subtract that both. You will get the answer as all will be equal to 0. Okay. Now let's solve the next question. Cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin minus cos sine they have given. Now you have to find out, right? Now first to find out, to add what they have given, you have to first multiply what they have given. There we found out 5a, right? So 5 you multiplied for each of the element. The same way in place of 5 here they have given as cos. That is how you need to understand here, okay? Now cos, if you multiply, cos into cos will be cos square theta, cos theta into sin theta, minus sin theta into cos theta, and here it will be sin square theta, sin theta into cos theta, minus cos theta sin theta, sin square theta. Okay, now you have to add, right, these both, and here and here. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta, this formula you need to know. Okay, this is very important, one of the most important formula that comes here, that is equal to 1. And next is cos theta sin theta and minus sin theta cos theta. See, the same way if you add cos theta sin theta, and here it is minus sin theta cos theta is been given, right? See, now you can take here sin theta cos theta sin theta and minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, now if you get this, these both will get cancelled. Here also it is minus, it will be, sorry, yeah, it will get cancelled. The answer will be equal to 0. The same way you can solve this also. Next question is, if find x and y if x plus y is equal to a matrix, x minus y is equal to matrix. Okay, now you need to, they have given what, the added matrix. Now we have to find out what is the subtracted. Okay, now that is very simple method. You can follow this equation form. See, x plus y you have given some matrix, x minus y they have given some matrix. Here y and y get cancelled, so 2x will be equal to, you have to add that both, right? So now you will get 7 plus 3 will be equal to 10, 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0, 2 plus 0 and 3 plus 5 will be equal to 8. This is you get, then divide by 2 for each element, you will get the answer. Okay, that is you got x, you can easily find out now y. That is x place substitute and y keep it, and x you can send this side. Next also same way you can find out these answers. Next is question number 8. Find x if y is equal to so much and 2x plus y is equal to this. The same way you can find out 2x plus y is equal to means y they have given already. So now you can bring this here and you can subtract that. You will get this x value, 2x value here divided by 2. For each element you have to do, then you will get the value of x. This is the logic behind that. Question 9 is find x and y if 2 into, that means multiply for each element and then add, and then you can find the value of x and value of y. Okay, now you will get it as 2x plus y is equal to 5. That means 2 plus y is equal to 5. That means y will be equal to what? 5 minus 2, that means equal to 3. And 2x plus 2 will be equal to 1. That means x will be 2x, you keep it as it is, 2 you send here, 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, x will be equal to minus 1 divided by 2. And also you can see here, oh sorry, I have compared with here, I have to compare here, right? Sorry, it should be 8 here, and it will be 8 minus 6 plus 6, and 2x will be equal to 6 means x will be 2 1s 2 3s, x will be equal to 3, y also, x also, it will be equal to 3. Now if we see this next question, solve the equation x, y, z and t if, see, the same way you multiply and you add and you will get the value of x and y and z and t. Okay, now also the same, you have to multiply, it will be 2x, 3x, minus y and plus y will be there, you can find out. See, let's solve. 2x, 3x minus y plus y will be equal to 10 and 5 they have given. Here there is plus symbol, don't forget that. Now if you see 2x minus y, that means plus into minus will be minus, right? It will be equal to 10, and 3x plus y will be equal to 5. Here only you can observe plus y and minus 5 will get cancelled. 3 plus 2 will be 5x is equal to 10 plus 5 will be 15. So x will be equal to 5 ones, 5 threes, x will be equal to 3. Now if you want to find out y, you can substitute in any one of the equation, either in 1 or either in 2. Now I will substitute in 2. That means 3 into 3 plus y will be equal to 5. That means 9 plus y will be equal to 5. That means 5 will be equal to 5 minus 9. That will be equal to minus 4. See, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 4. Now if you want to solve this, also the same method you can follow. The same equation solving. F of x is equal to, they have given cos x minus sin and some matrix. F of x into f of y will be equal to f of x plus y. That to solve, first you find out f of x, f of y. That means in place of x just substitute y. Okay, now for x plus y, that means you add this cos of x plus y and sin of x plus y and 0 0 cos of x plus y, sin of x plus y, 0 0 1 will be remaining as it is. Now if you see, the answer will be, if you multiply cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, 0 into 0 will be 0. That means you have to add and you will get it as the same matrix. Okay, see the what we have got here, it will be same as here. So that is how we proved. For next 14th question, you need to solve in the same way. 5 into 2 minus 1 into 3, the same way you need to find out and do the problem. Next is a square. That means we have to find out a square minus 5a plus 6 into I. I is nothing but the identity matrix. Okay, identity matrix. I will be equal to, first you find out a square and 5a and all, and then you can multiply it with 6 times of I. That means identity matrix will be equal to, for 3 cross 3, right, diagonals will be equal to 1, rest all elements will be equal to 0. But here what they have given, 6i, so multiply 6 times. If you multiply 0 into 6, it will be 0 only, so only do diagonal as 6. This is how you solve the matrix problem. Next question is 16th question. Prove that the same way you need to find out. That means first you need a cube, 6a square, 7a plus 2i. If you do all this, you will get it as answer 0. See, the steps is here, answer is 0. Now they have given this a bit tricky. A is equal to some matrix, I is equal to identity matrix, find k. We need to find out the value of k. A square will be equal to k times of a minus 2i. That means you need to substitute here. That means a square is equal to, a square value is what, 1 minus 2, 4 and minus 4 is equal to k. We need to keep it like that and substitute a and minus 2 times of I. Okay, now if you do this, multiply it for each element of it. Next you will get it as this. If you do 3k minus 2 minus 2k plus 0 is nothing but 2k minus 2k, 4k minus 0 is nothing but 4k minus 2k minus 2. Okay, now if you substitute, see where you can find out 1 is equal to 3k minus 2. That means 3k, keep it as it is, and if you send this here, it will be 3. That means 1 plus 2. K will be equal to what? 1. The value of k will be equal to 1. Okay, now next if you see another equation also, minus 2k minus 2 will be equal to minus 4. Okay, now if you want the value of 2k, so keep it as it is, minus 4, here you send it plus 2. That means minus 2 will become plus 2. Minus 2k will be equal to what? Minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. 2 ones and k will be equal to 1. Another equation which they have given, if you solve that also, you will get the same answer, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2k, minus minus will get cancelled. 2 ones and k will be equal to 1. Next is they have given A some matrix and identity matrix of order 2, and now we have to show that I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Now to do this we have to find out first I plus A and I minus A. Okay, now if you see on the left hand side they have given I plus A, on the right hand side it is I minus A. So the same way you need to compute that both. First is I plus A, then is I minus A, and you can substitute later so that it will be easy to solve. Now you will get some matrix, and from 1 and 2 LHS and RHS will be equal. Next is a next question is about like theory question. Now next they have given is a trust fund has rupees 30,000 and they have invested type of bonds. The first interest 5%, 30,000. Next is 7% per year. Using matrix multiplication, how to divide 30,000 among the types of bonds? If the trust if the total interest is 1,800 and 2,000, we need to find out. Now for A, let's take X be invested in the first bond and the multiply, like they have given what is the investment, that is 30,000 minus X you need to do. Now if they have given 5% interest that they pay, and second is they have given 7%, right? Now therefore for 1,800 we are finding it will be X into 30,000 minus X and 5 divided by 100, that means interest is equal to 1,800. That is SI for 1 year will be principal into rate divided by 100. This is the one of the basic formula we need to know, and if you do this multiplication for each and you will get it as 15,000. The same concepts you apply, and here it will be 2,000, that's it. Here you will get it as 5,000. Next question, you can see the same type they have given. Matrix will be 12, 10, 8 and 10, 80, 60 and 40 they have given. The same way you need to multiply, that means 12 into 10 into 80, 8 into 60 plus 10 into 40, and if you multiply that both you will get it as 20,160. Next is assume X, Y, Z, W and P are of order 2 into N, 3 into K, 2 into P, N into 3, P into K and all respectively. N, K and P we need to find out, and we have to show like P into Y plus W into Y will be defined as. What is the answer? That means K is equal to 3, P is equal to N, or K is arbitrary, N is equal to 2, P is arbitrary, K is equal to 3, or K is equal to 2, P is equal to 3. For that you need to see what are the orders P into K, 3 into K, and next for Py it will be K is equal to 3. Now for order W and Y will be order of N into 3 and 3 into K, that is, and if you see it is of order N into K and P is equal to N means K is equal to 3 here we got, right? Here K is equal to 3 and P is equal to N. That are the restrictions and that will be defined. Now next is, let's see the next question, that is the same type they have given. Here it will be 2 cross N, okay, because the 7 X minus 5Z they have given. For that it will be in the order of 2 cross N. This is the exercise 3.2. For next updates, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and follow for the more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.